feeling low, but God knows where to go. You said you'd always be the one to rescue me, but now we're out at sea. The waves are drowning me as you and I've begun the fight that no one wants. Settle down, I don't want to hear the hollow sound echo round of why we disagree. The bombs we throw are ringing out, rubble all around me. It's deafening, the voices of the ghosts in our heads. They're not true, we don't have to listen to. Let's call a truce, dear. Find some middle ground between me and you, dear. Break down all the walls, we're not at home here. Nothing set in stone, today is forever. We don't need to set a date to call it here. So happy look around, what do you want to see?